A book on a short journey of the Chnong Panaliar during the fight of COVID-19 was released on Saturday, the 31st of October, in the meeting held at Yungwale of the Dorbar Chnong by ADC of West China Hills, Sri Linkor Kinjing, who attended the program as chief guest in the presence of MDC Juai South, Saron Paswet, as guest of honor besides elders of different localities and residents of Panaliar. The book was written by headman of Panaliar itself, Rekwama R.Q. Lalu, to document the journey of his locality in order to fight the COVID-19 since 23rd of March to 30th October 2020. In this book, he expressed all what they have done during the 6 months period. Linkor Kinjing, while speaking as chief guest, appreciated the headman of Panaliar, also saying that this is the first time he heard that someone would take this initiative to document about COVID-19. In the meantime, he said, with the coming of COVID-19, many positive changes have also taken place in our lives, including discipline, unity, which is part of fighting COVID-19. With the passage of time, we have also witnessed a hike in COVID-19 positive cases due to our own negligence and carelessness. He therefore urged the public to keep following the protocol of government, to wash hands frequently, to follow social distancing, to wear masks and to stay home and avoid coming out unnecessarily. Others who spoke at the meeting include Saron Paswet, local MDC, C. Pawa, General Secretary Panaliar, Waisa Sumer and others in a meeting chaired by R.K. Petrus Rumbai, Secretary Education Committee.